This is a story of a town. The story is about how a very progressive town called Tuticorin suddenly changed because of the selfishness of activists and politicians. People were happy and they had a good time. The children went to good schools. There was prosperity all over. Business was good. Many new companies came up. People had jobs. And then came the bad people. They were not happy because the people in Tuticorin were happy. They started spreading rumors and fake news. People were confused. Many did not believe, but some believed and got angry. They protested. The town lost jobs and opportunities. A real sad story of a very promising town. Now the young boys and girls had to leave town for employment. Let's rebuild Tuticorin.